morning! Welcome to this new video. Welcome to another adventure and welcome back to us. Because obviously, the uploading of our vlogs and videos take a little bit longer than usual. Around 2 or 1 week gap. But for now, we take a little bit time off because we got caught up with everything happening with our lives, with schools, works and jobs and everything. But today, we are back and so are you. We are back in our channel and we are easy going. For today, we are going on a bike ride to find a local area where we can do a bike packing trip soon. Basically, this area is located beside a river. We saw this area on a post from an FB friend, but we definitely don't know where to go or where to find this place. But still, we are going there because that's great thing about trails we don't know. We would expect the unexpected and the trip would be fun. I am with my brother Virgil and John. John is on a motorcycle because we only have two bikes available as of the moment because my gravel bike is currently under repainting and bike spa. We'll see what ahead of us and we'll continue with the trip. We just stopped by in a little hut for a little break. Let's go straight into the video and come along with us. Let's go. So just a quick update with the trip. The hike started around 100 meters from the road and as of now we are looking for the trail that leads to the river, and in about a moment we are going to descend at this single track, and we hope that this is the right way going into the river. Let's get this single track hike started and hopefully this leads us to where we want to go. Let's go. Hike a bike.
So an update guys, we're here at the river, so we've come to reach to the spot that we're looking for. We're planning to do some bike packing here and we will do camping. So the locals made a table over there, so it's a very nice thing that they have tables. And as I walk you through, here is the river. I hope you can hear my voice because the sound of the water is a little bit loud, but yeah, you get the idea.
So I found myself in tears. Every day was filled with fear. When you feel you wanted more, but suddenly you're on the floor. And I left my heart with you. There is nothing else to do. I would like to have it back. It's broken and far from intact. And as dangerous as it is, we couldn't wait for the first kiss.
The good thing about this place is that there is a river beside the camp spot. So definitely when we come back, we would dip right into this river. But for now, we are here just to recon the place and see if it is good for a bikepacking trip. And yeah, it is more than our expectations, and it is best for a bikepacking trip, 100%. So definitely next time we would dip ourselves right into this water. But for now, enjoy the rest of the video. So probably this is the main highlight of today's trip. So enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you like this one. Share it to your social media accounts and subscribe if you haven't already. So basically that's it. Let's continue to play, connect and inspire. Enjoy the rest of the video. Let's go.